Okay, we are heading into Austin now. We just passed Austin Summit. That was where I took the last video. That was on the other side of the summit itself, but it's still called Austin Summit. Leaving Toyabe. I like Toyabe because it's like wasabi. I'm gonna have some wasabi in the Toyabe National Forest. Whee! And here's the town down there. We're soon gonna be in it. This is exciting for me. This is the whole reason why Central Nevada came onto my periscope. And that was thanks to a particular video from Wonder Hussy. And sorry about, not holding the camera steady, because I'm looking at the road, I'm not looking at the camera. Austin Community Services. Okay, well, just in case I want to get married or go to church, there's a lot of them on there for some reason or other. Double penalty in work zones. Alright, we're in a 25 zone. So I'm going to have to slow it down. 30-minute delay possible. Woo! Wow, now they're up there in all those beautiful green, I think they're aspens. They're up around 74. I don't know where we're at right now. I think we're like 64. Oh, look at this. Austin, elevation 6575. Be prepared to stop. Alright. We are gonna stop, it looks like. Very, 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 very cool. Alright. I think I could go around. What do you think? Alright, I'm going to stop it for now because we're not moving.